Actually, see, I need a couple minutes here, YouTubers. Oh, we're out of power already. Okay, YouTubers, I'm going to have to go ahead and cut it here because my camera already ran out of power, unfortunately. The next thing you're going to see is that I'm going to put the carburetor back on the thing on the power saw and then try to start it up. So anyway, thank you for watching my video, and please comment and subscribe if you haven't done so. And hey, I'll keep on making more videos and stuff if you guys are enjoying these videos. Thank you very much and have a good day.